Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome input delay problems step by step in 2026. If you type and letters appear late, clicks feel slow, scrolling reacts after a delay, or websites feel unresponsive, that's called input delay. It happens when Chrome cannot process user actions fast enough due to CPU load, heavy scripts, or rendering bottlenecks. Let's fix it. First, close unused tabs. Too many open tabs consume RAM and CPU, which increases response time. Press Shift plus ES key to open Chrome. Task Manager and end tabs or extensions using high memory or CPU. Next, disable heavy extensions. Go to Chrome://extensions and turn off extensions you don't need. Ad blockers, screen recorders, or developer tools running in the background often cause input lag. Now check hardware acceleration, go to Settings greater than System, and find Use hardware acceleration when available. If it's on, turn it off and restart Chrome. If it's off, turn it on and test again. Different systems perform better with different settings. Next, clear browser cache. Go to Settings greater than Privacy and Security greater than Clear browsing data, select all time and clear cached files. Corrupted cache can slow rendering and interaction. Now we use DevTools to detect the real cause. Press F12 and go to the Performance tab, click Record, then type, click, or scroll on the page where lag happens. Stop recording and look for long tasks on the main thread. If tasks last more than 50 milliseconds, they block input handling. Heavy JavaScript is often responsible. Look for long purple scripting bars in the timeline. Websites running complex scripts, animations, or tracking code can delay interactions. Next, check for layout shifts. Open DevTools, go to More Tools greater than Rendering, and enable Layout Shift regions. Frequent layout changes force Chrome to recalculate page structure, slowing input response. Update your graphics driver. Outdated GPU drivers reduce Chrome's rendering performance and increase delay. Install the latest driver from Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD. Also check system performance. Open Windows Task Manager and see if CPU usage stays near 100%. Background apps like video editors or antivirus scans can cause Chrome input lag. Finally, reset Chrome. If problems continue, go to Settings greater than Reset and clean up greater than Restore settings to original defaults. This removes broken configurations or conflicting extensions. After these steps, typing, clicking, and scrolling should feel smooth and instant again. And that's how you fix Google Chrome input delay problems step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome performance and troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.